Jane, and good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you're at. And I wanted to talk about XRP today. This is not financial advice. I do this for entertainment purposes only and to share what I do. It's, however entertaining that is. But I wanted to show you today again on CoinMarketCap. And here is where I come to just check dailies, honestly, and I don't even keep a watch list anymore. I just come in, check it out. Okay, Bitcoin's at 23, Ethereum's at 1578, XRP is at not even 41 cents. Cardano, Doge, Matic, I check. I used to own DOT, got rid of it. And some people, privately get a hold of me and ask me why I get out of certain coins. Truth is that I just want to keep bigger bags of the coins that I'm truly interested in, which are the oops, what happened there? The ISO 20022 coins, okay, which includes XRP, XLM. I hold as well. And I just got rid of XDC only because it's not supported by Ledger. And if you're in need of a Ledger, all my links are in the description box below. And as far as I can see, all of your crypto should be off exchanges and on a Ledger, which brings me to, I had some extra money just hanging out in Apple Cash, so I bought, I think it was $120 worth of XRP. I don't keep much on exchanges anymore, but I'm actually going to buy and keep maybe 500, maybe 1,000 XRP on Uphold, and I'll tell you why. Because when the shift occurs and it starts to skyrocket, and by skyrocket, I mean it could go to $1. It could go somewhere between $1 and $5 sometime soon. But if this settlement occurs with the SEC and all the court dates are over, and there's really not much to do but wait to see either if they come up with some lame excuse to delay it more, or if there's a settlement. So I think I don't have a crystal ball, but I think I have predicted that sometime in second or third quarter of 2023, there will be a settle up. Now, is it going to go straight up to 10,000 or 122,000, which is what I've seen out there as predictions? That I don't think it's going to skyrocket straight up to, its full potential. Because I'm going to tell you right now, straight along the way, there are going to be a lot of people when it hits $1 that are just going to, go straight into selling some stuff because they hold such huge bags of XRP, right? And I have to admit, I plan on taking profits along the way, but I have my little course of action that I'm going to do. Everyone has theirs. If you would like to discuss where you're at with all of your crypto and how to take profits along the way, where some of your benchmarks could or should be for you personally, I am more than happy to set up a one-on-one session with you to do that. Send an email to zendevon@gmail.com. Please put crypto in uppercase letters in the subject line. The charges are $97 for an hour. $97. You can Venmo, you can Zelle, or as much as I'm in silent protest of PayPal, we can use PayPal if that's what suits you. Anyway, back to this. So yeah, I came in here. I used Apple Pay to just buy some XRP yesterday. Like I said, I'm going to go in, do a little bit more. In fact, why don't I just do it right now? And I will do it from, let's see, Google Pay 8001. Yeah, let's do that. And let's see. How much do I want to buy? I think I'll buy, I'll do 100. Let's see how much that buys me. 239, which would give me, let's see, this is 344. Let's see. 344 plus 239 is 583. Yeah, that's good enough. That's what I'll do for now. So that's how easy it is. See, I have my debit card connected right here. It's a Visa card. That's $100 US. It buys me 239 XRP. So I'm just going to hit preview. Yep, there we go. All right, cool. They charge $2.43 for the deposit. I'm fine with that. Let's confirm the deposit. This is how easy Uphold is to work with. A lot of people, I hear reports coming in from all angles regarding Uphold. I've never had an issue with Uphold in any way, shape, or form that wasn't fixable. Their support has been wonderful for me. If you have issues with a support, see, it's already confirmed right there. I just got an email. If you have issues with anything setting up, security or 2FA, anything with Uphold, feel free to contact me at ZenDevon, again, zendevon@gmail.com. Please put crypto in all uppercase in the subject line. And you can ask a few questions. I don't charge for everything. It's only if you want to have a one-on-one session it gets complex, i.e. like we need to walk through how to fix your 2FA. Something occurred and you really need some help and you're frustrated, okay? Otherwise, if you want to ask me just a couple of straight-up questions, you can do it in the comments section below, or you can email me. That's fine with me, okay? And I think I'm going to wrap it right there. Let's take a look at just a few other things. I mean, listen, I'm into NFTs and I'm going to do some videos. I've been approached by a couple of influencers who want me to do some videos on NFTs for, in exchange for, for giving me an NFT, I guess, or a reduced price for it. I don't know. We're in talks right now. However, NFTs aren't for everyone. So, you know what? Especially if you're a newbie. If you're a newbie, that would probably take a one-on-one to even get started because it's a lot. It's involved, and I'm in some Telegram groups for it, and you know what? Let me tell you, sometimes it's a lot for me. So I'm going to wrap it right there. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for being here with me today. Ciao for now.